In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error opening recording device issue on Audacity. So this should be a quick and easy process video. If you try to record and a pop-up message appears, as you can see, after you click the record button, this can be frustrating, but we can fix it today. After you try to open Audacity and it does not work for you, just go ahead and close out of Audacity. After you do that, make sure your microphone is plugged in correctly. Go ahead, type sound settings, then click on sound settings. After that, scroll down until you find all sound devices. Maybe your microphone is not plugged in correctly or it has to be enabled. After you click on it, go to input devices. As you can see, make sure your microphone is listed down here. After you find it, click on Enable, then access it by double-clicking on it. You can increase the microphone volume, then start the test to see if your mic is picking up sound. After you do that, the problem should be solved. Just click out of the settings, then reopen Audacity. Now the microphone should work perfectly for you. So this was today's video. I hope the video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.